No GPU, no local model. Most people hit that wall in the setup video. Don't, you can run Odysseus with zero hardware. Here's how. 2 free options to get started. First, OpenRouter. Go to openrouter.ai, click Get API Key. Create a new one, copy it. Back in Odysseus, Settings, Add Models, API section. Select OpenRouter, paste your key, hit Add. Now you have access to free open source models. Second, Google AI Studio. Go to aistudio.google.com, create a new API key, copy it. Back in Odysseus, same API section, select Google Gemini from the dropdown. The endpoint autofills. Paste your key, hit Add. Every free Gemini model is now available. Already paying for AI providers? Same process, pick your provider and paste the key. But honestly, API mode isn't the safest option. API mode means your prompts still travel to the provider's servers. You get a private workspace, but your conversations, not fully private. But here's where it gets interesting. Even in API mode, Odysseus stores your memory locally. Memory Video covers this. So the smart move is to mix both. Heavy tasks, API model handles it. Anything sensitive, switch to local mid-session. You decide what leaves your machine and what doesn't. That's it for this one. The rest of the series is in the playlist. Like and subscribe for more AI tools that actually matter.